You know Southern Pride Auto Sales for their great deals on quality used vehicles. But did you know we also have a car wash service? Our basic wash includes a hand wash of the exterior, as well as vacuum of the interior, plus we also clean the windows. Just drive up and we'll take it from there. Relax in our comfortable waiting room while we do all the work. We start with the wheels and tires. Then it's into the wash bay. It's time for a hand wash of the exterior. Those bugs on the front have got to go. A rinse, and it's time to vacuum. A vacuum of the interior is included with our basic hand wash service. We vacuum for you, no need to get out in the cold. Next, we clean your windows. We wipe down the interior. Armor All is available by request. A few final touches, and you're ready to go. Walk-ins are welcome for our car wash service. If you'd like to take advantage of our full detail service, just give us a call and make an appointment.